Hey guys, Carl here at MarineMax Panama City Beach. Today I got the pleasure of showing you the 2024 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk, brand new to the lot. Does come with the trailer. This is the white hull with the black writing. Looks very nice, classic, and it is equipped with your Mercury 115, which is your max horsepower for the 17 Montauk. Let's take a look on board. All right guys, now that we're on board this 17 Montauk, we'll start here in the bow. This does have the seating package, so you see the cushions up front in the bow. So you'll have that, you'll have it on top of the igloo cooler that's supplied here as well. It is already outfitted for your trolling motor. Should you want to put one on here, you're wired and ready. This specific model does have and was ordered with the fishing package, so you have 4 rod holders here in the front of the helm. And at the helm itself, JL audio package for your sound system. And we have left this one blank, so you can outfit it with the electronics package that you desire. And of course, we do all that in-house. Moving back, does have the reversible seating at the helm. So if you want to face aft there, you can do that as well. And then you do have the tow bar on this specific boat as well. And then you see the seats that can be removed if you need a little bit more cockpit space. But this is the 17 Montauk, probably the most popular Montauk in the series. Big enough to fit in a normal or regular sized garage at the 17-foot length with the trailer. Bimini top. Let me know if it's something that you're looking for. Call me at any time, 334-695-6035. Thank you.